Hey students, Armando here and welcome to topic 6. We're going to break this video down pretty quickly, so hang in there with me. We are going to go over this very important CLC, mission and vision analysis that you're required to submit with your team. And then on this video, I'm also going to go over the peer evaluation form, where to find it, and how to complete that as well. So as we usually do, I like to go in through the topic section over here on the left-hand side. So let's head over to that topic 6 area. Again, this week, we're really going to focus in on mission and vision statements. This could also help you if you're working for an organization. Maybe they haven't developed a mission and vision in a while. Maybe they haven't revised it. I can't tell you how many students have taken this information and have gone back to their organizations, to their agencies, and they have implemented change with the change agents of the organization to redevelop these mission and vision statements. And then we're also going to analyze them and how they promote servant leadership. So of course, you know by now we have the mandatory 2 DQs and our weekly participation. So I'm going to kind of start with the peer evaluation form. So you will need to complete this peer evaluation form, which is basically where you're giving feedback to those individuals that you worked with on this CLC. And again, to locate that, you need to go over here on the left-hand side and use this class resources tab. And it should look exactly the same way for you. And then if you look right over here, you're going to have a section called peer evaluation form. So when you click on the link, it's going to take you to a form in itself. So you are going to complete this form. Okay. And if you look right over here, okay, you can download this form. Okay. Fill it out and then you'll submit it as an assignment. A couple of key things is read here how you're going to rate your peers. Okay. You're going to rate yourself, first of all, right here in this first line, and then you're going to rate your peers in the subsequent lines. And then everyone needs comments. So you need to provide comments for yourself and for every peer that worked with you. It can be brief, but there needs to be comments for you to receive full credit on this peer evaluation form. Once you complete the form, you can upload it to the assignment area of the peer evaluation, which has its own submission area, and then you will be done with that. So kind of let's head back over here now into the topic 6 area, and let's head into the vision and mission analysis. As you know by now, this is a CLC assignment. It's worth a lot of points, so it's 80 points. Make sure that you are looking at the rubric, and I'm actually going to break down the rubric right here, right now, so that you understand the different areas, okay, that we're looking for. Okay, make sure that these areas are being evaluated inside of your paper, because again, this is where the points are coming from. You can see how each section here has a point value, okay, totaling 80 points. So again, you should be structuring your paper based on this right here, and these should be the different content sections that you have within your paper that correspond to the actual assignment instructions as well. Okay, so here is the information that you need. A couple of key points is you need 1,500 words or more. That is good. Okay, I don't cap you at 1,750. Okay, 1,499 or less, that is not good. Okay, you'll lose points if you don't meet the minimum word count. Again, by now, all of you should be working on this. You should have hopefully divided all of this up amongst your peers, and everybody needs to contribute a written portion to the team. Okay, not one person can just spell check and submit it. Everyone needs to have a written portion in this assignment. Also, do not forget, you're required to locate at least 4 articles that support selected organizations' vision and mission statements. 2 of those must be peer reviewed. And if you look under the announcements, I placed a short video on a simple Google hack on how you can find peer-reviewed articles. So refer to that if needed. APA is required. So that means that you need a title page. Okay, then you need obviously your main page, and then you need a separate reference page as well, because that is part of APA. And then yes, this goes to Lopes Write. Again, reminder of the similarity index. You really should be less than 3%. Okay, 3% or less is really your goal. Anything above that, you start getting flagged. Make sure that you have original work. And then on the quoted text, it really should be 0. But again, GCU allows a max of 10%. That means no more than 10% of your paper can actually be quotes from any journal article or what have you. Okay. So in summary, this kind of covers the parameters that we need for topic 6. Now, in a separate video, which will be either appearing on the screen now or I will upload it, of course, as a separate video. You're going to have a walkthrough sample paper for the mission and vision statement analysis. So if you see this on your screen now, go ahead and click on it, go through that sample paper, watch the format, and if not, you'll get it as a separate link. Okay? Thanks for watching, and if you get some value from these videos, you can definitely hit that like button for me so more GCU students that are not in my class can find this video. Have a great day.